Hello, my people. I greet you. Our church program starts today, being Friday, the 8th of August. So I'm expecting to see you there. It starts by 4 p.m. Yes, and it will end on Sunday, being the 10th. And that Sunday will be on a normal service, 8 a.m. in the morning. So I'm praying for you, as many that will be there physically, even those that will be there spiritually. The prayers that will be made in this 3 days program shall be for your good. You shall not be left out. All your heart desires that you've been waiting for God to grant you at the course of this program, it shall be granted in Jesus' name.